Welcome to weekend project number 2, where we will be transforming this whole bedroom in just 2 days with just 2 people, including these old wardrobe doors. The light in north-facing rooms can often prove tricky to work with, so choosing the right paint colour matters. The main wall colour is grey nuance in easy clean washable matte. The matte finish is perfect for low light areas, enhancing the colour and reducing glare. For the wardrobes and woodwork, we're using Fleetwood Advanced Satinwood, giving a smooth, hard-wearing finish that's ideal for high-use areas. And for all the MDF and previously painted surfaces, we're using Bloxx-It primer to ensure a flawless, long-lasting result. Preparation is everything. We're protecting the floors properly, removing handles, cleaning all surfaces and filling any dents or imperfections. Sanding and priming creates the perfect base and makes a real difference to the final finish. To add character to the bedroom, we're creating a feature wall by using batten and board panelling. And rather than replace these doors, we're going to add MDF and create a shaker style door, giving it a more modern look. Priming is an essential step, and Bloxx-It primer seals the surface, improves adhesion and ensures that your paint finish lasts. The main wall colour is grey nuance and it's in easy clean washable matte. We're also using grey nuance in advanced satinwood on the wardrobes to colour drench the room for a seamless, cohesive finish. Both the feature wall and the bed are painted in designer white. The wall in easy clean washable matte and the bed in advanced satinwood. Designer white complements grey nuance beautifully and adds subtle contrast. 2 days later, the transformation is complete. The walls feel fresher, the panelling adds depth and the wardrobes look completely bespoke. So it just shows you with the right products and the right preparation, you really can refresh a full bedroom in just 2 days.